This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Pritchett. Enjoy the picture-perfect views year-round from the covered decks, large windows or viewing room upstairs. This cabin is fully furnished and beautiful decor. There is a separate outbuilding ideal for a workshop or storage. For the outdoor enthusiast, the Benton McKay hiking trail runs through the development. Convenient to both Ellijay and Blue Ridge. $65 app fee per adult. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Pritchett at 706-889-7298.